Hello and welcome to Leons.lockpad. Got a ASSA for us today. It's the first one I have ever had. I've never picked one before. Received this with a few locks from Daz Evers. Please check out his channel. Great picker. I've seen a few of you guys pick these locks, and it's been very interesting to watch. I've heard they can be quite tricky, but should be interesting. I'll show you the bitting. There we go. 6-pin. Works absolutely fine. No hang-ups. Nice and smooth as it should. Original key. Very nice lock. Anyway, let's get it picked. I don't know if some of you will notice that normally I pick with the pins down, but I'm trying to learn to pick both ways for the however way the lock is supposed to be oriented. So this is how I'm gonna hopefully try and do it. I've been getting a bit better this way, so we'll see what happens. Homemade tension wrench from it was a Allen key or a hex key, and a medium hook. Slight rotation. That was on 6. I'll click off 5. Click off 4. Click off 3. 2. That was on 1. Nothing. Slightly more rotation then. Nothing on 3. Nothing on 2. Oh, and there we go. That was pretty interesting, that. Had really good feedback. You could tell every time you touch the pin, a really nice sharp click to it. Give me a second, we can lock this up. Just grab my pinning tray. Screwdriver. Let's have a look. I like the backs, these where you have to unscrew them. Most of these bloody clips we have on a lot of the Euro cylinders, they're awful. There we go. Key. Grab the key. Grab a follower. Right, pins are at the back, just making sure so we don't lose any. There we go. Just remove this bloody key. There we go. What we got? We got standard. Actually, do you know what? Let me pull this down, sorry. Standard, steel, standard. Oh, sorry, I got a bit. Standard, standard, and a standard. So let's look at that core. There we go. it looks either slightly counter-milled or a little bit of threading. Put that on there. Right, where have we gone? We need that. Where's my tweezers? Let's see what we've got in here. Oop, nearly lost that one. A standard driver. Well, it's not a standard driver. That's little serrated ends. Another one. There's another one. Oh, you bugger. I dropped him. I hate it when they do that. There's the other one I dropped. And there we go. Look in there, isn't it? Yep. Standard springs. Steelies, as they would be. There's your drivers. They definitely give really nice feedback. You could definitely feel those clicks were nice and crisp. Definitely it's one of those locks that I really enjoyed picking. Oh, I just noticed that we have for a sidebar there, if you can see that, but there's not one on the core. Oh, Ruco's have your sidebar as well there. I wonder if the core's been replaced for another one, or basically, you know, when they make these, you know, like, because they're mass produced, either they just cut this into all of them, and certain ones have the bars and certain ones don't. Very interesting. But yeah, that was a very good pick. I enjoyed that. Thank you very much, Darren, for sending me that. Well, I hope you liked the video. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. Don't forget to like, and bye.